Hello everyone, this is Sam from the Research and Development Department in Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the important instruments and their price movement predictions for the day, which falls on Wednesday, 22nd of December 2021. Let's begin with the gold, where in the previous videos we said that it has started a new uptrend in the 4-hour time frame after breaking upwards to level 1792, which used to resemble a horizontal resistance level for the gold in the 4-hour time frame, and then it continued to form a new peak around level 1813, then continued to rebound downwards off of it, where in the 1-hour time frame we can see that off of around level 1813 it continued to form a new downtrend in the 1-hour time frame, specifically after breaking down through level 1795 and forming a new lower high around level 1800. And currently, we can see that the gold is being traded around level 1788, which resembles a horizontal support level for the gold in the 1-hour time frame, and therefore, by holding below it, will further support the continuity of the current downtrend in the 1-hour time frame. Until now, if we notice the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that the gold is being traded around level 38.2% Fibonacci of the previous upwards movement, and therefore, in order for the uptrend in the 4-hour time frame to continue, we will be expecting it to rebound upwards off of around the current levels or off of around level 1783, which resembles level 50% Fibonacci of the previous upwards movement. And not only that, but we will also be waiting for it to break upwards to level 1800 in order to end the current downtrend in the 1-hour time frame and continue with the bigger uptrend in the 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame, which will then continue to target around level 1813, then around level 1833 as primary targets in the current uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that it has started to rebound upwards off of around level 40, which supports the confirmation of the current rebounding upwards off of around the current levels in order to continue with the overall uptrend. That was it for the gold. Let's move on to the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. In the previous videos, we said that after the pair broke upwards to the upper boundary of the downwards channel in the 4-hour time frame, we said that the upwards correctional movement will extend to target around level 0.7230, near around the broken lower boundary of the upwards channel in the daily time frame, in order to retest it before continuing with the overall downtrend. Recently, we can see that the pair has reached around level 0.2225 and formed a new high around it, and then continued to retest level 0.7090, and we can currently see that the pair has started forming a new high around level 0.7155, which by holding below it will support the targeting of around level 0.7090, and by breaking down through level 0.7090, which resembles a horizontal support level for the pair in the 4-hour time frame, it will support the continuity of the overall downtrend in the daily time frame and will end the current uptrend in the 4-hour time frame, which in that case the pair will continue to target around level 0.6995 as a primary target in the overall downtrend. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that due to the indicator rebounding down off of around level 60, it supports and confirms the rebounding down off of around the current levels in order to continue with the overall downtrend in the daily time frame. That was it for the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Let's move on to the British pound versus the Japanese yen. In the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the pair has formed a new low around level 149.55 and continued to rebound upwards off of it in order to continue with the upwards correctional movement. However, we can see that it has also started to rebound down off of around level 151.45, which resembles a horizontal resistance level for the pair in the 4-hour time frame, and therefore, by rebounding down off of this level, it will support the continuity of the overall downtrend in the daily time frame, and in that case, it will continue to target around level 149.50 to between levels 149 and 148.70 as primary targets in the overall downtrend. It is also important to note that unless the pair breaks upwards to level 152.50, then we are still moving in a downtrend. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that due to the indicators starting to rebound down off of around level 60, it supports and confirms the rebounding down off of around the current levels in order to continue with the overall downtrend, as we said. That was it for the British pound versus the Japanese yen. Market Equity wishes you successful trading. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.